Now let me tell you what is the difference between Meterpreter shell and a normal shell. So a normal shell basically represents a command prompt in Windows, and in Meterpreter shell, so this shell is very advanced. In this shell you can use many commands, you can use Metasploit modules, and you can also use options like grab a picture or start a video recording or delete a file in the target machine. So all these types of commands you can use in Meterpreter, so that's why Meterpreter is nice. Okay, thanks. Hey, welcome back to NethaxStark YouTube channel. Hope you guys watched our previous video. If not, go check the description, or you can click on my channel and watch all the previous videos. Okay, so in this video I will tell you how we guys can access Meterpreter shell over a simple shell in Metasploit or in an victim machine. Okay, so I'm doing this attack in Windows 7, which is blue room, which is in try hack me. So I'm doing this on a safe environment, and I am not encouraging you guys to do this in real world. If you do this in real world, then you can be caught. So let's jump into this video. Okay, so let me search module here. See, search ms17. So ms17 is a name of module which is of internal blue. Okay, so here's our exploit. So we have to just select first exploit. Now we have to type show options, and now we have to set the R host. Okay, so the R host remote host IP address is here. So this is my IP address. Okay, so don't worry, it will change next time, or it will change in 1 hour. Okay, so set R host. Here's my R host. Set. Now I have to set my L host, which is my listener host, which is my Kali machine. So currently I'm doing this on try hack me, so that's why I have to give the OpenVPN IP address, which is this. And now let me paste this here, paste selection, what the set LH host, paste clipboard. Okay, so now let's try to exploit it, and let's check if it is exploitable or not. So let me pause this video, or let me pause this video. Okay, so let's resume this. So I have to do this attack second time. Okay, so because maybe it will happen with you also, it will fail here. Okay, but we have to rerun this, so you have to rerun that. Okay, and then next time you will get the Meterpreter shell, as I have a Meterpreter shell right now. So I don't have any shell, so if we type here who am I, it's not working here. Wait a second, ls, it automatically lists down many files here. Okay, so let me first click on dir ir, and let's first of all go to home directory. Okay, and then I will tell you how we can okay, so I'm in home directory right now, and let's press ctrl-c. So if you are in shell, you have to also press ctrl-c. So if you ctrl-z, I think so if you type here ctrl-z, then it will ask you for background session 1. So we have to type here, click on yes, and as you can see, so if you type here sessions, and wait a second, what's happening? Okay, so as you can see here, I typed sessions, and it will automatically list down all the sessions. Okay, so as you can see, it is Meterpreter shell I have. Okay, So it's easy. And if you get all first time simple shell, okay, then you have to just do what I do in this video. You have to just press on Ctrl+Z, and then you have to click on Y, so it will store your session in the background. And if you will type here sessions, then it will show all the sessions here. So in starting I don't get a shell, and maybe you also don't get shell first time. So if you do that second time, you will get Meterpreter shell, of course. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and please like this video and share this video, and